Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about Qubic mining, how to install it and start mining with Qubic, and how to set up your wallet, and how much I earned from Qubic mining from the last epoch with Ryzen 5 5600X. Now let's start. First of all, we need to open the browser. We need to open Google Chrome and let's type qubic.li. Now from qubic.li we will go to GitHub. From the GitHub we will go down, scroll down and download the latest version of the miner. This is the latest version. Now after you download it, I already downloaded it, so let me open it. Qubic miner. This is the miner. This is the miner. Now you need to extract it. You will get these two files. Now we need to configure the file, the .json file. Here we get the settings for the miner. The URL, leave it as its own. The amount of threads of your CPU. I got Ryzen 5 5600X, so I got 6 cores and 12 threads. So I will put 12 here. Now here we have the access token and the allies. Here you can name your client whatever you want. Now for the access token, you need to go back for the GitHub and you need to come here to the pool mining. You will get this app.qubic.li. You need to go for it and it will open. Let me just sign out. It will give you this web page. You need to come here. You need to sign up for a new account. I already have an account here, so let me sign in. After you signed in, you will get this UI. You need to come here to the left. You need to come to the pool mining. The pool mining, when you first come to this UI, you will have two pools. This is the fixed reward, 85%, and you have the other one, which is the fixed plus bonus reward. You need to come for one of these and subscribe to it. Subscribe to the pool. Now I am subscribed to the fixed reward of 85%. After you subscribe, you will come here to the access token and you will press show token. When you press show token, you can get the token here and you need to copy it. You need to copy the token and come for the .json file and paste it here instead of this token. After that, you can save it and you can come back to the file and you can start mining like this. Now it didn't start for me because I didn't configure the file as I want. So I will go to the last version and I will go to the client. As we can see here, it starts mining. Now for Ryzen 5 5600X, in this version of CPU version is 101.3. I am getting about 43 to 40 ITS, which is hash rate for this algorithm. On every update on the CPU version, the ITS change. Last update I was getting about 30 ITS. Now with this new update I got 40 ITS. So now after you start mining with the Qubic like this, you will get the miners. Now I got only one. This is for the version 1.8.9 and this one is for 1.8.10. Here we can come back to the miner control and you will see the two miners. Now in this epoch I got one solution. You can find it here in the pool mining. I got one solution found for only 40 ITS. Now, how much worth is one solution? One solution, we can go back to the pool mining and we will go to the payout history. The payout history for one solution that I got, it's equals to 0.07% of the solution, which will equals to 924,000. Now, we need to go back for the settings for the payout. You need to have the address. Now for the address, you need to go to the same pool mining on the GitHub. You will see here, create Qubic ID, which is the wallet. Now, you will go to the wallet. I am already signed into the wallet. You need to go to the wallet and do the steps on it. It's very simple. It doesn't need any description or anything. Now, for the last epoch, I mined for like 3 days and I got 924,000 cubic, which is equals to 1 sol. The 1 sol that I got is equals to $6.7, which is very good for Ryzen 5 5600X. Now, you need to understand something, that this is a solo mining, not a shared pool mining. It's only solo mining. So, if you mine for a week and you didn't get any solution, you will not get paid for anything. And if you get solution, you will get paid as I show you here. Now, for the payment, you will get paid on Wednesday or Thursday, I think. This one got a little bit delay and I think I got it on Friday. Now lastly, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. It will help me a lot. And if you have any questions about Qubic mining or setting up the miner or the wallet, please let them in the comments and I will reply to them all. See you in the next video.